Hi and welcome back to another video. I'm Jay, this is my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Etsy product photos so then people can't, so they stand out and so people can't copy them or rip you off. And if you're new here, welcome, and this is my channel. I show how to make money on Etsy with KDP, Amazon KDP, as well as how to make money with video using different video creation software apps. Yes, so feel free to come and check out any of my videos. It's only a small channel, so I appreciate it, and let's get into it. I use Canva, right, and this is what I made earlier, and I keep these templates. Yeah, and all I do, guys, is I'll just drag and drop it, and what I do, I put my logo on it, and the reason why I make them like this and I put like these over it is then people can't copy it, because it's quite easy to use a tool like this snippet tool. Yeah, what you do, you can just, usually you can copy it, yeah, but because I've done it like that, when they print it out, they're going to have all my logo and all these over it. Yeah, let me just quickly show you. So if I were to do that and I upload it like that and just upload this to Etsy, yeah, they could quite easily use that snippet tool and then go over it like that, and then they can print it out. So I don't want them to do that, do we, guys? So yeah, I do that like that. They also, so then they can see it. They also make one like this and just go over that, and I drag and drop it. So I don't show them the full page, just show them a bit of what they're going to get. And I put this on, so it's PDF, so they know they're going to get a PDF. And I put my logo on, yeah, and I put instant download. Then if they can play it from the phone, I'll upload the image like this, and then I go on edit image, and I choose one of the mock-ups. Say for instance this one, and then I'll just drag it so it fits into place, and then put it on the back, let it do its thing. It'll load up. It takes a few minutes, but because you can't play this on the phone because you have to color it in. So, but this is just an example for this video, and this is what I do for all my creations. So I keep all these templates. And there you go. So I'll keep all these templates, yeah, and also do is just drag and drop whichever I want to do. And obviously, if it's for the phone, I'll do this. If you can do it on download and print, and what I'll do this. Use another mock-up. And Canva's great. It's got lots of different mock-ups. Again, I will drag and drop it, put it into place. Yeah, put it at the back, and then if you can play it from your PC, I'll use a different mock-up. Yeah, print as many times as you can. So let me just go back to my uploads, edit image, back to mock-ups. So you've got loads of different ones you can use. This one, yeah, I use this one. Make it look like that you can get many. Look, there's a print as many times, download and print. Yeah, so it shows like you can print it off. And I like this, guys, because it's got nice big clear text, so they can see what it is. Yeah, and it's so easy and faster than creating new ones all the time. And then if they come in different like styles, like say for instance this one, you had it as a dog, and then you also had like a rabbit or a Santa Claus or whatever, I would put them all here in like a line. Just quickly show you. I'll put them a bit smaller. Then I put, yeah, I do it like that. And then the last one, a minute, let's get rid of that. And on the last one, I put Santa forward. Forward, yeah. So then he's blocking a little bit of this, so then they can't copy that with that snippet tool. Yeah, and obviously you change that to how many games it is. If it comes in different, that's only if it comes in different versions, guys. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's what I do. So if I were to upload another game, I will just delete that and create again. Same with this one, like a PC one. If you can play it on the PC, download and print it. If you can play it for your phone, yeah. And for the main, my main picture, yeah, I do these, right? So I come over here, I make like a plain background, put some like nice features on it, look, the PDF and that, and then I'll just drag it over like that, and I'll make it nice and big. And then I'll put it at the back of everything. So then a little bit of the picture is going over it, yeah, a bit of the logo's going over it, so they can clearly see it. Another way I sometimes do, if you want to, yeah, like if I'm doing colouring pages, I do this as well. But then look, they can copy that, so I don't really use that one anymore. If I'm making the bundles, I like to show how many they're going to get with it. In fact, this is a better one, yeah, than this one. So I've got samples over it, so they can't steal it. Yeah, they can't copy it, but it's nice and clear, telling what it is, Christmas activities. It shows that it's PDF, shows that it's the download, make it showing it's Christmassy. Yeah, my logo on it, and nice and clear. So they're getting 23 printables. Yeah, again 5 Christmas, and I've put on that so they can't copy them. And these are just some examples, guys. These are often the Christmas ones, but this is one I'll use. So what I do then, I just download it, and then obviously it's not a video. Download it in PNG. I don't want all of them, so I just want that one. Download, guys. Yeah. Then what you do next time, if you don't want to use this, what you want to make another one. I mean, let's just download a minute. Yeah, you just delete it, and then you keep that. Or if it's not Christmassy, obviously you change features, put them on you like. Yeah. Let me show if I've got another one. Yeah, and I like to make this, like I've made a couple of these different ones, and it's just saying thanks for looking at our shop, yeah. And if you've got a sale on, you can make one like that. These are some other ones you can make. If it comes in different sizes, you can show. Yeah. I know I like to use this sometimes. So look, download and print, play with loved ones. These are some ideas, guys. Yeah, so look, you can download and print it, play on devices. There's just some examples, guys. So feel free to watch this video and take some ideas, guys. Again, these, you put some features over it, put it on like an angle or something, so then people can't just steal it. Yeah. And they can clearly see it. If they can play it on the phone and download it on the PC, whatever, and print as many times as once. Yeah. If it comes in a bundle or it comes with like different game cards, then you just add them all here and say. That is it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. Feel free to come and check out all the other videos. I show my Etsy earnings and that. I'm new to the Etsy world. I'm new to print on demand and all that. So, like I said, I'm a newbie, just like you guys. So feel free to watch any videos and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And thanks very much for watching, guys. Till next time, goodbye.